In this video, we're going to show you how to fix third-party app data not syncing with Shopify. When you use third-party apps like email marketing tools, CRM systems, inventory managers, or accounting software, they rely on continuous data syncing with your Shopify store. Sometimes, however, you may notice that data stops updating. Orders may not appear, customer information may be missing, or product updates may not reflect correctly in the connected app. This issue is usually caused by broken authentication, incorrect sync settings, API permission changes, or temporary service delays between Shopify and the third-party app. The good news is that most syncing problems can be fixed quickly with a few structured troubleshooting steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to diagnose syncing issues and restore proper data flow between Shopify and your connected apps. So let's get started. The first method is to check the app connection status. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to Apps and open the third-party app that is experiencing sync issues. Look for any alerts indicating that the connection has expired or requires reauthorization. If prompted, reconnect your Shopify store by logging in again and granting permissions. Next, verify the sync settings inside the app. Many apps allow you to choose what data should sync, such as customers, orders, products, inventory, or abandoned carts. Make sure the correct data types are enabled and that no filters are accidentally excluding important information. Another important step is to check API permissions. If Shopify permissions were changed or the app was updated, the integration may lose access to required data scopes. Reinstalling or reauthorizing the app often restores these permissions automatically. You should also check for sync delays or scheduling settings. Some apps do not sync in real time and instead update data at fixed intervals, such as every few minutes or hourly. If this is the case, wait for the next scheduled sync or manually trigger a sync if the option is available. If the issue persists, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall it from Shopify, then reinstall it from the Shopify App Store and reconnect your account. This often resets broken integrations and clears cached connection issues. In most situations, these steps will restore proper syncing between Shopify and your connected apps. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, check the app connection status and reauthorize if needed. Second, review sync settings and ensure correct data types are enabled. And third, check permissions, sync schedules, and reinstall the app if necessary. Remember that syncing issues are usually caused by broken authorization or misconfigured settings rather than permanent data loss. Taking a structured approach helps you quickly restore integrations without affecting your store data. And that's how to fix third-party app data not syncing with Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.